Today we have to discuss about DOM concept, that is the document object model. A DOM JavaScript is almost always use interact with the HTML document which contain. This is accomplished through programming interface, that is the API called the document object model according to W3C. The DOM is a platform and language neutral interface that will allow the program, script, dynamic access and update content, structure, style of document. What is a DOM? When start the browser was 1997. W3 that is a consortium standard. DOM is 1998 is start from that. End of browser sniffing. Document object model API that can use any language and knowledge of DOM uh, will help with an PHP and XML. When we write as simple as any HTML code and JavaScript, when we write something, so that time what we can write there. So that case, just I write HTML as a head tags, the title tags, and head tag. Just I write a body statement, then paragraph. Then I have to write close my body statement. I close my HTML tag. So when how we can note something, it is a tree structure like a HTML, then I have to write head, then head within a title tags, then I have to write a text and just I write my page. That is a my page. I have to write that. Another thing there. Second, I have to start my body structure. Body, I have to write a paragraph. Then I have to write whatever the text is on my page, and then after I have to close my body structure. Node wise, how we can display like that. This is a DOM concept. That time, this is utilize your DOM. DOM is element within the HTML document is called as a node. Node like a same like a tree structure. The parent is required, the child is there, another sub child is there. So tree wise we can write a DOM structure. There are the element node, text nodes, attributes node. All nodes DOM share with a common set of properties and method. When I have to write the set property of DOM, so that time you have to write a proper method. What are the properties there and what are the method is there? This is an example. Just I write a paragraph. Photo of conservation spawns in. Just I write HERF in centerpark.com and centerpark. Just I write anchoring. When I click on this is the paragraph. Within paragraph, just I write just a link of that. The with help of that one site is open, that is a centralpark.com. So how what is the element, what is a text node, and what is the attributes node? So in node, when I write element, text and attributes node, this is a my paragraph, this is a P, so it is called as a element node. Then a photo conservation spawn, this is a what I have to write here, so this is a text node. Another, they just I use A stand for anchoring. This is A, that is called as element node. And what are the attributes? Nothing attributes, nothing but your properties. So this is called as a properties. And just I write a center path. This is center path. This is my text node. It's a combination of element node. Then I have to write the tree structure element node and attributes node and center node. This is where I have to declare as a nodes. Essential node object properties, attributes, collection of node attributes, child nodes, node listed child nodes for this node, first child nodes of this node, last child of this node, next sibling of node for this node, name of nodes, type of node, value of node, parent node for this, and previous sibling node of this. A tree structure, just I write a code in a HTML tag in JavaScript, so that a number of properties and attributes element you can write there. So DOM can arrange a structure, which is a subline, what is the parent value, all things can be stored the value, that is called as the DOM. DOM document object is the root of JavaScript object represent entire document. It contains some properties and method that we will use extensively in our development and globally access the document. Just I write the specify the doc type and example dot estimate. Just I declaration my variables with an doc type's name. Just I write the document dot input encoding. So just I declare my objects. This is a just variable name. This indirectly my objects. When I use the property, so with help of you can use it. Document objects methods. So creates object, create attribute node, create element node, create a text node, create a text node, get element by id. Suppose just I want to find out the what is the value of that id. So that is just this is a method just specified what id is there. Just you name you can specify it automatically get that. Return the element node whose id attributes match the pass id parameter. Return the node list of the element whose tag name match with the pass name and parameters. So this is example get element by id and get element how we can find out by tag name and id name. So this is example just I write h1 just I write this div tags and latest comment. This is the id I have to specify, and this is just paragraph methods. Paragraph just I close my div tag. When I use a div tag, another just I write the some objects. This is the date time I have to specify. I love the central parts. So just I div tag another div tag I have to use. This is the first. This is the second, and whatever I just write the p, so the paragraph. So how we can write there a document dot get element by id. So let us comment I have to use with help of this, and is all things about this div tag. So it is a document dot get element by tag name, that is the div tag. So this is accessing node. When access my ID, access my tag name. So with help of I had to use with the DOM tag. Element nodes an object. The type of object written by the method document a get element by ID. Describe the previous section element node object. It represents HTML element hierarchy contained between the opening and closing tag this element and can itself contain a more element, a property and a description. So in this case I write a class name current value of the class attribute for this of this element html element, the id nothing but current value for id of this element. Inner html represent all the html tag inside of the tag. This can be written and primary way which can update particular div tags and javascript. The styles attribute element can read and modify the property, the tag name for the element. So one by one we see the how we can modify the your doc element. So document when I use modify. So in this case, just or whatever discuss the property of that one. Uh, the document.write method is used to create output to the HTML page with a JavaScript. Modern JavaScript programmer will we want to write HTML tag, but particular location not always at the bottom. So the pay but particulars location not always at the bottom. Using the DOM document HTML DOM element object we can exact using the inner HTML property. So just I write a document dot get element by id. Let us comment. Just this is my object using the inner HTML, and let us inner HTML all, and then I have to write the updated div tags in JavaScript. So this is changing the HTML using the inner HTML. Although inner HTML techniques work well, it is very fast. There is a more verbose techniques available for this build output using the DOM. DOM functions create a text node, remove childs and append childs, and allow the modify element and more rigorously. When what we can use there, create, remove, append, these all things we can use that. This is the modify DOM element. So in this case, just I using the inner tag, just I write the inner HTML, then I have to use the latest childs, and then I have to write create a text node. This is the way just I write for the new and old. So inner tag is used. Suppose I want to remove something, so that time I'm using the remove childs and append a child. So this is the way we can create a text node and append a child. So latest is nothing but this is the latest and dot. Then I had to write remove the child. So I just append something remove. So that time is used for that. Then when changing something related style, we can add and remove any style using the style class name property of the element node. It is usage shown below to change the node's background color, add 3 pixel border, comment tag document.get element by id specific tag, then I have to write a commit tag. This is a commit tag dot start background color. So background color you can specify your English word means English as a green, red, green, blue. You can write it. So otherwise you have to know very well known about the what is the ASCII code. You can know that. Then you can write. But at least you have to know about what code name is there, what concern color is there. So at least you can aware that. Comment tag dot style border width is the 3 pixel, that is the you have to the 3 pixel size automatically display. The class name property is normally better choice because allow the style create outside the codes and thus to better accessible and design. The comment tag the document dot get element by id specific tag. A comment tag dot class name some class name. HTML file introduce the class list element which allow you to add, remove or toggle CSS class and element. So just I write the label dot class list add class and some class name. So more property, some specific DOM element property contain tag types that HER attribute used to tag with an URL link, so that is a the name property bookmark identify these tags, unlike the ID which are available all tag name limited to the certain form related to tag, that is the input extra area form link to external URL that should be loaded into the page opposed to href which link to follow when click. Image and then input iframe scripts. The value is related to the value attributes input tag. Often the value of input field user defined we use the values of get input, that is the input text area. Then I have to write a submit. When we can use in a javascript many way we can represent them. So the DOM is always refer to things in the window, that is of properties. Already we discussed methods and events. So this is the way just I DOM is I just create my window. How we can open my new window is there. Just so that time is just I write a new window, window dot open. So what tag name is required? What menu bar is? What is the status bar is there? Resizable. So just I use the 3 point is a minimize, then restore, and just I close there. Same thing you can make there. So this is a new window dot resize. What status is there? You can write there. then do not task top of the page as a 21. Same thing we use there. As hierarchy already discussed, the window navigation is required, the screen is required, document history, location, that is a form button, and form. This is a way. This is a DOM object model. Just I use the alert method. So that time you have to write a window dot navigator user agent. The main time is there. So that time what I have to write, a default is a window. What navigation is there? So this is a navigator, nothing but navigation window. The user agent property of the navigation. So navigation is required. Then a screen. If you want to screen is there. If you want to display something or move something, so you can write what X value and what is the Y value. Just we can specify the available width and available. This is the location where the value is stored. Just I want to color change my background color. Just I write the document dot back color, then document dot write. Try some test. So the form is nothing but CGI get post, the server side processing, JavaScript client side processing, and form data validation. So when deep study about the DOM. So by anything you can write the like a DOM representation. So in this case, I using the table tags. In this table, what we can use there? So in this case, I write the table ID, my table, then I write the table row. Table row is nothing but just write a table ID, then I write TD, then I write the text, just I write the break line and the TD, just I close this is a row I had to another row is there, so just I use of this one, the TD table data dot is there. So this is all things there. How you can represent in DOM? Very small program is there, but how we can represent in DOM? So that time table, child nodes, attributes, the child node nothing but just I write the tr. So this is my child node tr. So child node just I write a td, then I have to write attributes, then I have to read this having the 300, the I'm text in a. So this is a child node. Another within that I have to write a br. Then I have to using the this child node td, then dotted the column and attribute dot my table. This is the my table. This is the my attributes. So this is a way DOM is representing. So you have to very well known about knowledge of the concept. So this is the way we can represent your DOM. Understand JavaScript, or one of the most important feature JavaScript is enable modular programming, object-based classes, variables, function statement, container structure is a class. So this is the way we have to write a JavaScript DOM representation. When this is in this case what we need there, you are having the good knowledge of the your programming, then a theoretical part is how we can display the your document object model. So this is a just representation. So term is nothing but you have to know about what is the element, what are the property nothing but just need the what are the child nodes. So having the very familiar with this all code. So DOM is indirectly represent means within that how we can display all the values related, what are the property, what are the values. So in this case nothing but, so this is a table tag, main tag is there, and then there is a table row, this is a table row, table data within this table data. So this is a representation, this is a your child node, this is a parent node, this is a child node, within that child node is there. So this is the way we can represent your DOM represented. And your web designing, there is a large part is remaining, that is called as events. Event nothing but just I click on the one button, so automatically display something with using the function. So that is concept of events. next lecture we have to discuss about and with using the JavaScript how we can using the event scripts.